What's up, guys? Today we will be playing Cook Burgers, and I'm trying to get the $300 bill. Alright? So what you're gonna need is 8 cheese boxes, even though I ordered 9. Then you're going to grab this. You're going to interact with it, and then you're going to take the cheese and put it on the burger. How hard is it to do the cheese part? Why do I keep getting YouTube notifications I don't want to talk about, that I'm not interested in? Alright, I'm going to cut it in 3, 2, 1, and here we are. This is 8 cheese boxes right here, and I can't fit it through the door. Ah! Come on. Alright, guys, so if you guys are don't want this special burger, I'm giving you the meat special. You want the meat special? Meat special. Wish you can actually talk to the customers. Meat special. And the customers normally spawn around 12. Hopefully, I don't know. Right? No. I don't know when they start spawning. But we're gonna need some more meat special. We're about to be out of the meat special. Wait. I wonder if this will do anything. Alright. Just to top it off. If you want the meat special, come in here. We got another meat special. The freshest meat specials coming up. You want the meat special? So funny, just giving everyone the meat special. We're about to be out of the meat special. Never mind, we're not. If you ask for ketchup on your meat special, you get the ketchup on your meat special. Apply. No. Flip, apply. Flip, apply. Apply. Crap, I have to give it to them. Who wants the meat special with ketchup? You want the meat special with ketchup? She wanted the meat special with the ketchup. Dang it. But we're not out of meat specials yet. What's the meat special? When are they spawn? They're not spawning! gonna start putting Mite specials out. Mite special coming right up. Mite special. We have only 3 Mite specials left. You're lucky to try our Mite special. Mite special coming right up. Last Mite special person is gonna be the man. The man. What about the last Mite special before we start closing up for civilians? One Mite special. Mite special. There you go. Our last Mite special. No. Wants to wear fries? No, you're not getting fries. You're getting the Mite special. King, you're not getting the Mite special. No, you are not going in your seat. We don't want you. Yeah, stop that. Yeah, go away. We're not serving civilians anymore. Stop. We're not serving civilians. Grab the Mite special number 2. Whoa! He's eating the cheeseburger. $300. Well, guess what? We're putting you in the Mite special. In here. No. I'm in here. There we go. We keep him in here. He's not getting his money back. I'm sorry. No! Bro, look at this. Now it's become a rat. 1 second. Speedrun. Where's the debug burger? I don't know where that went. I've never tried to be a rat into the bread store. Look at my rat eyes. I look a little cute. Don't I look a little cute? You. Hey, no yawning out. Hey, no rats allowed in here. Oh, I'm an item. No, I'm a toy, cuh. I'm a toy. Huh? You're just gonna yell at me? Oh, wait. Is there like a little rat hole somewhere? Oh, I think we found a secret. Yes, there is. Wait, where am I? Wait, what is this? Oh, there's $3 right here. Alright, guys, that's it for today. And, I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye.